Okay guys, how about a Snickers shake today? Sounds good to me. So to make a Snickers shake, we are going to use our vanilla protein base. We're going to use our cookies and cream Formula One healthy meal. We are going to use some powdered peanut butter. Again, you can get this in any grocery store. Pretty much every store I've been in lately has their own brand of this even. We're gonna use some sugar-free chocolate pudding mix and some butterscotch chocolate pudding mix. We're gonna use 1 tablespoon of whole rolled oats. And as always, I have 2 cups of ice and 3/4 of a cup of water. And we're gonna put all of this in the blender together and get it mixed up. And remember guys, the secret to the perfect texture is time in the blender. Blending it longer gets all the tiny little ice chunks out and makes it smooth and creamy and delicious. Totally forgot the PB2. All right, this is all mixed up. Now, I have some sugar-free chocolate and caramel syrup. We're gonna put all in the cup here. Kind of all over the sides of the cup. Probably more caramel than chocolate, just because there's plenty of chocolate in the shake and not as much caramel. Now we're gonna pour that shake in there. Now we're gonna put some whipped cream on. And here we go.